This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Make sure the Huawei is unlocked, charged, and you know the Gmail password. Once ready, backup contacts and photos so nothing is lost. Now open Settings, then tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is the hub. Locate the Google entry that represents the Gmail you want removed. Tap it to view account details. Make sure sync completes before you proceed, because removing the account deletes synced data from this device. Once you're viewing the Google account, tap the Menu or Remove Account button. Huawei shows this inline or under 3 dots. When prompted, authenticate with your device PIN or the Gmail password. This confirms you own the account. After confirmation, the account is removed from the phone and all Google syncs stop. If Google services or Find My Device block removal, disable them first in Security or Google Settings, then repeat removal. Make sure finish by rebooting the Huawei and confirming Gmail no longer appears under Accounts. If you must wipe the phone, perform a factory reset only if you own it and you have the Google credentials, otherwise you risk FRP lock. After reset, sign in with your Google account to re-enable services. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, sign into the Google account on a computer, check security devices, and remove the device there. Then retry removal on the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.